In this module, we'll define what is App Store Optimization, or ASO. You may have heard the term before, but it's important to know what's behind. To do that, we'll break down all the steps required to do a search in the App Store to find new apps to download. All of us went through those steps, but by defining what those steps are, we'll find that there are two major aspects of ASO. So let's dive in. So what are the steps involved to search on the App Store? Let's pretend that I'm searching for something to cook tonight and I don't have a recipe in mind. So I'm searching for an app with recipes. So I'm going to enter the keyword recipes in the App Store. And as you can see on the screenshot, I get a list of applications returned. I even get a lot of them, 6,292 results. That's a lot of apps. So starting with iOS 8, the browsing has been vertical. So I'm going to go from the top to the bottom and maybe browse through 10, 20 apps until I find something I like. So the steps involved here were entering the keyword and browsing the results. Now let's pretend that from the results that we just saw before, this particular application caught my attention. So what I did is from the result page, I touched it, and now I'm going to look at more details about it. What I'll be reviewing is the screenshots, the icon, the number of reviews, how many 5 stars reviews, what are the reviews saying about the application, and the description also, like maybe saying what the publisher has to tell about the application. If I'm convinced by all those different information, I'll press the Get button and download the application. So the steps involved are reviewing the app and downloading the app. We have just seen that the act of searching for application in the App Store can be broken down into 4 different steps. The first one, someone is going to be entering one or multiple keywords, then browsing through the results, reviewing a particular application in details, and then downloading the application. Based on those 4 different steps, what do we need to do as app publishers to get downloads for our applications? First one, for an application to be downloaded, it has to be part of the result. So we need to rank high enough in the search result to be able to be seen by the users. The second step that happens once your app is part of the results is that people have to be convinced that the application is worth downloading just from looking at the assets that they are seeing in the App Store. I'm talking about the app icon, the screenshots, the number of reviews, what's written in the reviews, and the description also. In summary, the keyword optimization and the application assets optimization, both of them combined, are what we are calling App Store Optimization, or ASO.